Hey, it's Wes here. If you're watching this video, that probably means that you are looking for the next lesson of this online Spanish course. Now the thing is that I've not yet uploaded the next lesson here on YouTube. Because here on YouTube, I only upload one new video lesson every week. So most likely in a couple of days, I'll be uploading that new video lesson. Now, if you don't want to wait for one new video every week, you can also join my Patreon. On Patreon, you'll already be able to watch a lot of the next lessons of this course. So you don't have to wait every week for a new video. This way you can also help support the channel and help me make more videos and more courses in other languages as well. If you want to support the channel and already watch the next videos on Patreon, make sure to check the link in the description. And as always, thank you so much for watching these videos. I really hope that my lessons are valuable and that you're improving your Spanish. Alright, that's it for this one. I would love to see you in the next lesson, whether that's on Patreon or here on YouTube. See you in the next one.